Good morning, students. We are going to learn tense. Tense is the basic part of a grammar. Most of the time, there are so many opinions to define a tense, but the common way is a tense is a period of time which provides the information about the process of a verb. किसी क्रिया के घटित होने का, उसके क्रियान्वयन होने की जो सूचना समय की अवधि जो हमें प्रोवाइड करवा रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेंस. मोस्टली प्रेजेंट, पास्ट and future. We have these three types: present, past and future. Present वर्तमान, past भूतकाल and future भविष्य. Each of them have four parts: indefinite for simple, continuous, progressive, perfect, participle, and progressive participle, or we can say it perfect continuous. In these all type of tenses, we have different methods, different rules to translate a sentence from Hindi to English or use the correct forms of the word. But at your level, at your class level, it is not the proper time that we will learn the translation from Hindi to English. Now you will get the questions in your paper related to fill up the correct forms. Examiner will provide you a sentence: Ram always go to school. You will get such sentences. ऐसे वाक्य आपको आपके पेपर में मिलेंगे. And here you have to fill up the verb, the correct form of the verb. Then for this one you need some indications. The first thing, need some hints. How you will decide it, which form of the verb will be used in the sentence. How you will identify the tense. Then the first one, if there is always, every day, every month, every year, often, usually. If such words are used in the sentence, then we have to go with present simple. And in present simple, if we have plural subject, use first form, and if we have singular subject, use first form plus s or is. Then here with Ram is singular, we have always, our sentence will be converted into present simple, and the word go, it will be used goes. That's the way to fill up the correct forms. Number two, if you will find at this time, at this moment, look, listen. If you will find such words in the sentence, then your statement or your verb will go in present continuous. And in this tense, we will use helping verb, each, am, are plus first form of the verb and plus ing. This will be the format like see, Here we have the verb at this time, and it indicates us that we have to use the verb form in present continuous. Then see, singular, eat, and make. It's eating using, adding ing. Number 3. We have some words which shows us the perfect. If there will be so far, just, already, since, for plus, time. If we have such words, then we will go with present perfect means helping verbs has, have plus verbs third form. And in this they already finished their work. Then we already have the verb here already, and it shows that our sentence will go into present perfect. We will use has, have plus verb third form. There is a plural pronoun, then we will use have and use the third form. Finished. And in the same pattern, if we will have in the sentence since plus time, for plus period of time plus whole in the morning. If we have such words, then we will go with present perfect continuous. Then we will use here has, have, been, first form, ing. In the sentences, the boys for 2 hours in the morning. Here we have for plus a period of time. For plus a period of time, then we will use here boys plural. Have been playing. The boys have been playing for 2 hours in the morning. It's